Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to solve question 4 for Unit 2 test trigonometry. And the question explains that they want you to solve for the triangle x, y, and z, given x which is 45 degrees, small x, which is the side, which is 12, and then y, which is also a side, which is 15. So in the question here, give me a second, it says solve each angle to the nearest decimal, solve each angle to the nearest degree and the side correct to the one decimal place. So looking at it, I'm going to go ahead and draw myself a triangle. Draw myself a quick triangle. And we're going to go ahead and label it. So given our formula over here, we're going to put x there, and that means that this will be small x. If we use y, this will be small y. And if we use z on the vertices, the big letters go there, and then the sides get the small letters. So after we labeled it, now we're going to start filling in information. So x is 45 degrees. Small x is 12. And then y is 15. That's small y. 15. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use sine law, but before we do that, I'm just going to label one more thing. So this is what we have down so far. What we're going to go ahead and do, add 45, small x is 12, capital Y, the unknown, small y is 15, z, unknown, small z, unknown. Okay, so let's get into sine law here. So the formula for sine law, sine A, or in this scenario, sine x, which is our angle, 45, over small x, which is 12. And then we got sine B, which is in this case sine y, which we don't have. So sine, just write y, over, which we do have, is y, the small y, which is 15. So now we can go ahead and cross multiply. 15 times sine 45 gives you, divided by 12 equals 2. So right now we have sine y, and the answer there, it just gave us 0.8838. But that just means it's sine 0.8838. So we have to get rid of that sign and just leave y on its own. To do so, we go second function, sine inverse, and there's your answer, 62.1, and then you have to put the 1, so just 62. So now y, angle y is 62. So now that we have two angles, x and y, we can go ahead and find the third angle simply by going 180 minus 62 minus 45. If you put that in your calculator, 180 minus 62 minus 45 gives you 73. So your third angle now, which is your Z, 73. So all you have yet to find, or left to find, is small z, or side z, which is easy again. You just go ahead and use sine law once again. So sine y, capital, so 62, over small y, 15, equals to sine 73, which is z, over unknown, which is small z. So you're going to go ahead and do 15 times sine 73 equals to, divided by sine 62, and that gives you 16.2, and that's your side, 16.2. And as you can see, all the angles and sides were solved for using sine law. Thank you so much.